The date is the 13th of June 2021. Here's Palokorvenkatu 7 Stikis B here in Kerava, Kerava, part of Helsinki's Watch region here in Uusimaa, Finland. It was built in 1993. It says 393, but we know it was finished in 1993, and we believe it is the third quarter of 1993. That's why this could be August 1993. I don't believe it's early 1993.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't have a green star. Yes, it will be inspected in the next year, 2022. The serial number is H67543. They are 25 years old in 2018. 6 floors. Hopefully she will go out.
Yeah.
Good maintenance, it's by Kone.
Yeah.
History here. Not anymore.
Yeah.
Cameras. This was finished in like August 1993, third quarter.
Yeah.
This might have been finished for the school year 1993-94.
Yeah.
It's possible.
Inspected by Kerava inspectant, maintained by Kone.
Alright, let's go. That's it. Thank you.